The captain's here, Adam Shelton, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos, Know, Trust, and Act. And today's episode, we're talking about crypto staking. I enjoy crypto staking because there's another way of earning while you sleep. Now, what is crypto staking? My mom called me once again, and she said, staking, what is staking? Because she's trying to stake her cryptocurrency. Now, staking is a key element of cryptocurrencies that operates using proof of stake validation. In a proof of stake system, investors like you and me who own cryptocurrency can help validate transaction in a given cryptocurrency blockchain database. Typically, they must own minimum number of coins to verify a transaction. Then they are permitted to become validators. Absolutely. So, how does staking work? Well, it's pretty simple as this. Staking is only possible via proof of stake mechanism. So here's a couple of the best staking platforms according to Forbes.com. You got Kraken, Gemini, KuCoin, and Coinbase as well. Now, this is a cryptocurrency staking platform called Banana Task Force 8. And you see this 180% APY, 180 days minimum, and that's the minimum of tokens you need to have to stake on this platform. This is just an example of staking in terms of a website of a project. Is crypto staking worth it? Listen, it can be if you're lucky. If all the forms of gambling, the activity from which crypto staking gets its name, there is a random factor as well as a possibility thing can go wrong. So it's a gamble, but is it profitable? Remember that cryptocurrency can be volatile and prices can go down as well as up. Therefore, never invest or stake more money than you can afford to lose. That is something you definitely need to understand is there. Is it safe? Well, crypto staking is not without any risk. The value of the coin you're staking could go down, just like we talked about before. Just do your research and only stake as much as you're willing to lose, just like we talked about. How to make money in staking? Well, if you stake your token long enough, and if you get something like this, a good APY, and a safe and secure project or cryptocurrency, then there's a chance you can make money. But always do your research, not financial advice, but there's no guarantee that you will make money when this happens though, because the value of the coin could have fallen significantly. You must never invest more than you can afford to lose. Never do that. Now, risk of staking, you got volatility can happen, price can drop, their staking pools can be hacked, there is a counterparty risk of staking operator. If the validator doesn't do its job properly, it gets penalized. So staking is definitely can be profitable, but it also can be a risk. So always do your research when it comes to staking. Check out some of these other staking like KuCoin, Coinbase, Binance US. Those are a couple of them that I saw on Forbes magazine. And as well, staking does work. Do your research. Always stake as much as you're willing to lose because staking can be very rewarded in the crypto space. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos, another edition here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More information and more videos just like this is coming to you each and every single week. All right, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video.